Birds seem so different from reptiles. Birds soar through the air. They sing beautiful songs. Reptiles crawl on the ground. They are cold-blooded. However, birds evolved from reptiles. This incredible journey through time links these two animal groups. One might wonder, how did this transformation happen? How did scales become feathers? The answer lies in millions of years of evolution. Fossils tell the story of this amazing change. Scientists have discovered incredible fossils. These fossils show the transition from reptiles to birds. They reveal creatures with both reptilian and avian features. These ancient animals hold the key to understanding this evolutionary mystery. Imagine a world long ago. Dinosaurs roamed the earth. Among them lived small, feathered creatures. These were the ancestors of birds. Their fossils paint a picture of this incredible transformation. One such fossil is Archaeopteryx. This remarkable creature lived 150 million years ago. It had feathers like a bird, but it also had teeth and a bony tail like a reptile. Archaeopteryx provides crucial evidence. It shows the link between reptiles and birds. Its unique blend of traits makes it one of the most important fossils ever found. It is a true icon of evolution. Other fossil discoveries have added to our knowledge. We continue to learn more about this fascinating transition. Each new find brings us closer to understanding the origin of birds. The story of Archaeopteryx began in a limestone quarry in Germany. In 1860, workers made an astonishing discovery. They found a fossil unlike any seen before. It was a creature preserved in stone. This fossil would change our understanding of bird evolution forever. The fossil was small, about the size of a raven. It had long, sturdy legs and a long, bony tail. But what was most remarkable were the impressions surrounding the creature's body. They were the unmistakable traces of feathers. This was Archaeopteryx, a creature seemingly caught between two worlds. It possessed a unique combination of reptilian and avian characteristics. Scientists were baffled. Was this a reptile with feathers? Or was it a primitive bird? The discovery of Archaeopteryx ignited a firestorm of debate. It became a crucial piece of evidence in the burgeoning theory of evolution. This single fossil provided a tangible link between reptiles and birds, showing a snapshot of evolution in action. The Archaeopteryx fossil was found in a remarkable place, the Solnhofen limestone formation. This geological formation in Germany is a treasure trove of exceptionally well-preserved fossils. The fine-grained limestone captured even the most delicate details of ancient life. During the Jurassic period, the Solnhofen area was a shallow lagoon. The warm, tropical waters were teeming with life, but these lagoons were also deadly. The lack of oxygen at the bottom meant that creatures that died there were rarely disturbed by scavengers. Over millions of years, layers of sediment accumulated on the lagoon floor, encasing the remains of countless organisms. The fine sediment preserved these creatures in exquisite detail, creating a remarkable snapshot of life in the Jurassic. The Solnhofen limestone has yielded a wealth of fossils, including fish, insects, and even pterosaurs. But it is the discovery of Archaeopteryx that truly cemented its place in paleontological history. This fossil, preserved in such exquisite detail, offered an unparalleled glimpse into the evolution of birds. Archaeopteryx may have possessed feathers, but it was far from a modern bird. It retained many reptilian features, hinting at its evolutionary past. Its skull, for instance, had a jaw filled with sharp teeth, unlike the toothless beaks of modern birds. Its long, bony tail was another relic of its reptilian ancestry. Modern birds have a short, fused tailbone called a pygostyle. Archaeopteryx's tail, however, resembled that of a lizard, providing further evidence of its evolutionary lineage. Despite these reptilian traits, Archaeopteryx possessed features that were distinctly avian. Its feathers, for example, were remarkably similar to those of modern birds, with aerodynamic veins that suggest the ability to fly, or at least glide. The presence of a wishbone, a bone found in birds that aids in flight, further strengthened the link between Archaeopteryx and modern birds. This mosaic of reptilian and avian features made Archaeopteryx a true transitional fossil. a remarkable testament to the power of evolution. Feathers are the most distinctive feature of birds. They provide insulation, allow for flight, and create dazzling displays of color. But feathers did not appear overnight. They evolved gradually from scales, revealing a fascinating story of adaptation. Early feathers were likely simple filaments, much like the downy feathers of baby birds today. These early feathers may have served as insulation, helping to regulate body temperature. Over time, these filaments developed into more complex structures with barbs and barbules that interlock to form a smooth aerodynamic surface. The evolution of feathers was a key innovation in the bird lineage. Feathers provided new possibilities for locomotion, insulation, and display. They were a crucial step in the transformation from earthbound reptiles to the soaring birds we see today. The intricate structure of feathers with their interlocking barbs and barbules is a marvel of natural engineering. This complexity highlights the power of natural selection to shape even the smallest details of an organism's anatomy. Flight requires a lightweight skeleton. Birds evolved hollow bones, a remarkable adaptation that reduced their weight without sacrificing strength. This skeletal transformation was crucial for their aerial lifestyle. Reptiles, in contrast, have dense, heavy bones. This skeletal structure is well suited for life on the ground, but would be a hindrance for flight. As birds evolved, their bones became increasingly hollow, with internal struts and bracing to provide structural support. This reduction in bone density was a key adaptation for flight. The lightweight skeletons of birds allowed them to take to the skies with ease, opening up new ecological niches and opportunities for exploration. The evolution of hollow bones is a testament to the power of natural selection to shape organisms for their specific environments. The internal structure of bird bones is a marvel of engineering. The intricate network of struts and bracing provides remarkable strength despite the reduced bone density. This delicate balance of strength and lightness is crucial for avian flight. The beaks of birds are incredibly diverse, reflecting their wide range of feeding habits. From the crushing beaks of seed eaters to the hooked beaks of raptors, each beak is perfectly adapted for its particular diet. But how did this incredible diversity arise? The evolution of the beak was a gradual process. Early birds like Archaeopteryx still possessed teeth, a reptilian characteristic. Over time, however, birds evolved a toothless beak, a much lighter and more versatile feeding apparatus. The loss of teeth was a key innovation in bird evolution. It allowed for the development of a lighter skull, which was essential for flight. Furthermore, the beak proved to be a remarkably adaptable tool, evolving into a myriad of forms to exploit a wide range of food sources. The diversity of bird beaks is a testament to the power of adaptive radiation. From a single ancestral form, birds evolved a dazzling array of beak shapes and sizes, each perfectly suited for its particular ecological niche. The evolution of feathers and lightweight bones paved the way for flight. Early birds like Archaeopteryx were likely gliders. Imagine Archaeopteryx perched on a tree branch gliding from tree to tree. This rudimentary flight was crucial in avian evolution. Birds evolved stronger muscles and aerodynamic wings. Flight opened up new possibilities, allowing birds to dominate the skies. Birds rely heavily on their senses, particularly vision and hearing, to navigate their world, find food, and communicate with each other. The evolution of these acute senses was crucial for their survival and success. Birds have exceptional eyesight, with some species possessing visual acuity far surpassing that of humans. Their eyes are large relative to their body size, allowing them to gather more light and perceive finer details. This enhanced vision is essential for tasks such as hunting for prey or spotting potential mates. Hearing is another crucial sense for birds. Many birds communicate through intricate songs and calls, using sound to attract mates, defend territories, or warn of danger. Their ears are highly sensitive, allowing them to detect even the faintest sounds. The evolution of acute senses provided birds with a distinct advantage in their environments. Their keen eyesight and hearing allowed them to exploit resources more effectively and avoid predators more successfully. contributing to their remarkable evolutionary success. Section 3. The rise of birds. Birds thrived after the dinosaur extinction, evolving rapidly into diverse forms. They filled ecological niches left by reptiles. This led to the incredible diversity of bird species today. From hummingbirds to eagles, birds conquered many habitats. Their rise showcases life's resilience and adaptation. Section 1. The Age of Birds. The extinction of the dinosaurs marked a turning point in Earth's history. The giant reptiles that had ruled for millions of years vanished. This left a void in the ecosystem. Birds, with their newfound abilities, were ready to fill it. The early birds, now free from competition, diversified rapidly. They evolved into a dazzling array of forms. Some grew larger, taking on the roles of predators. Others remained small, specializing in specific diets. This period, often called the Age of Birds, saw a remarkable explosion in avian evolution. New species arose, each adapted to its particular niche. The skies became alive with the sights and sounds of these feathered creatures. This diversification wasn't limited to physical changes. Birds developed complex behaviors, from elaborate courtship rituals to cooperative breeding strategies. These adaptations further solidified their place in the world's ecosystems. Section 2. Adapting to every corner. Birds didn't just fill existing niches, they carved out new ones, pushing the boundaries of avian evolution. They colonized diverse habitats from tropical rainforests to icy polar regions. Some birds, like penguins, adapted to life in the water. They lost the ability to fly but gained incredible swimming skills. Their wings transformed into flippers, propelling them through the water with speed and agility. Other birds, like ostriches, adapted to life on the open grasslands. They became powerful runners, their long legs carrying them across vast distances. Their wings, while not used for flight, helped them balance and change direction with surprising agility. Each environment presented unique challenges. Birds, with their remarkable adaptability, met those challenges head-on. This resulted in the incredible diversity of forms and lifestyles we see in modern birds. Scientists study modern birds to piece together the puzzle of avian evolution. By comparing their anatomy, behavior, and DNA, they trace back the branches of the bird family tree. DNA analysis, in particular, has revolutionized our understanding of bird relationships. It reveals surprising connections between seemingly disparate species. For example, it confirmed that birds of prey, like hawks and eagles, are closely related to parrots. These genetic studies help us understand how birds evolved and diversified over millions of years. They shed light on the ancient migrations and adaptations that shaped the avian world. Every bird we see today, from the humble sparrow to the majestic eagle, carries within it the legacy of this incredible evolutionary journey. Their bones, their feathers, their very DNA tell a story that began millions of years ago, a story of transformation, adaptation, and the enduring power of life. As we watch a hawk soar effortlessly on thermals or marvel at a hummingbird sipping nectar, it's easy to forget their ancient connection to the reptilian world. Beneath those feathers lies their incredible evolutionary journey. Birds are living dinosaurs, a testament to natural selection. Every chirp of a robin, every call of a dove, every squawk of a parrot links to early birds that first took to the skies. Their songs, colors, and behaviors have roots in ancient forests where feathered dinosaurs glided. Evolution is a branching tapestry of life, with unexpected connections and turns. Birds remind us that life adapts and soars to new heights. Their story is a source of wonder and inspiration, a testament to nature's creativity. Studying birds reveals the interconnectedness of life and the forces shaping Earth. Today, over 10,000 species of birds grace every corner of our planet, from the icy poles to the lush tropics. Each species is a unique masterpiece of adaptation, their feathers adorned with an astonishing array of colors, patterns, and textures. They fill our world with their songs, their aerial acrobatics, their intricate courtship rituals, and their remarkable parenting skills. Birds play vital roles in their ecosystems, pollinating flowers, dispersing seeds, controlling insect populations, and serving as indicators of environmental health. They connect us to the natural world, their migrations spanning continents, their lives intricately woven into the fabric of their habitats. Their presence enriches our lives in countless ways, inspiring artists, poets, and musicians for millennia. They remind us of the beauty and resilience of nature. Their songs are a symphony that celebrates the diversity and wonder of life on Earth. As we continue to learn more about birds, their evolution, their behavior, and their conservation needs, we deepen our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. Their story is a reminder that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves, a grand tapestry of life that has been woven over billions of years. Today, over 10,000 species of birds grace every corner of our planet, from the icy poles to the lush tropics. Each species is a unique masterpiece of adaptation, their feathers adorned with an astonishing array of colors, patterns, and textures. They fill our world with their songs, their aerial acrobatics, their intricate courtship rituals, and their remarkable parenting skills. Birds play vital roles in their ecosystems, pollinating flowers, dispersing seeds, controlling insect populations, and serving as indicators of environmental health. They connect us to the natural world, their migrations spanning continents, their lives intricately woven into the fabric of their habitats. Their presence enriches our lives in countless ways, inspiring artists, poets, and musicians for millennia. They remind us of the beauty and resilience of nature. Their songs are a symphony that celebrates the diversity and wonder of life on Earth. As we continue to learn more about birds, their evolution, their behavior, and their conservation needs, we deepen our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. Their story is a reminder that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves, a grand tapestry of life that has been woven over billions of years. The future of birds is linked to our actions. Habitat loss, climate change, and pollution threaten bird populations. We must protect these wonders and ensure their survival. Supporting sustainable practices is crucial. By making conscious choices, we can ensure birdsong continues. Every effort to protect birds contributes to preserving biodiversity. Cherishing birds honors their legacy and ensures a thriving future. Let us listen to the whispers of the wind through their feathers, the ancient stories etched into their bones, and let their resilience inspire us to become better stewards. The future of birds, and our own, depends on it.